Hey, I'm Anton, and I'm a part of Elite Editor Academy. I've been doing software engineering for like my whole adult life, and at some point I wanted to make a change. The channel I had was about software. I made like 3 or 4 videos on this channel, and at some point I realized that something was lacking. Like the video was fine, the image itself, the picture, the content was also fine, but during editing process, I didn't feel that all the pieces of the timeline come together. And then I started to think about storytelling, like how movies are made, films. One day I was again going through YouTube, and the first video I saw was like the first thumbnail I saw was Josh's video about how I make 1200K a month as a video editor. Josh explained his process, where he shared his newsletter with 10 or 12 editing breakdowns, and then he like promoted his Elite Editor Academy course. And I took it a look. I spent about a week or two deciding whether I want to go this route or I want to do it by myself. And eventually I got it. And honestly, it was worth it because in the course itself, in the academy, you get cheat sheet with all the sound, like music breakdowns, which music to use when or which music to try. Then you would get like shooting techniques, many different sort of stuff, which I'll be using like in the next couple of years for sure. What's more exciting than the lessons is the raw footage from big YouTube channels like Will Tennyson and a few other, which is useful for me who wants to switch from one career to another to a kind of video editor, from software engineer to video editor, where shooting my own footage, doing my own content, I would plan all the shots, all the script and stuff. But at the same time, it will delay my process, delay my progress because I would need to do all of the production steps. Where in the Editor Academy, you already get the final footage on which you can work on, which is, in my opinion, is one of the main pillars in the film production. I think what's changed in my mindset when I watch films or TV series is that instead of just going through the plot when I watch a movie, I'm more immersed in the film, in the movie itself than I was before, because now I hear all the sound changes, sound cues, all the fancy and like match cuts, beautiful shots or transitions and all this kind of stuff. And I think this kind of makes movies more interesting to me personally because I'm more immersed into them. And second benefit from this mind shift is that I can now rewatch my old movies and make notes about the video production, filmmaking, about the music they use, about the feelings that I get from the movie, from the scenes. And it's like this mind shift for me personally, it makes movies rewatchable for 100 times because each time you watch a movie, you'll notice different simple, like small details that you would miss from the first time and from the 10th time and from the 100th time. That's a great thing because before that, as I said, I was just watching a movie, going through the plot. Was okay. I had a laugh. I had some, a tear or whatever. But now it's more immersed. I see the details. I see how like the actors play and all this kind of stuff. For someone who considers to get this course or they're hesitant whether they are a good fit for this program, for this knowledge, I would ask, if I were you, I would ask myself a question whether I want to do video editing, like filmmaking, story, this line in my life. If you consider it as a future career, or you want to improve your own content, or you want to do more complex film production, movie production, YouTube content, then this course is a no-brainer because you get support of Josh, who has experience and connections with different YouTube editors. He has connections with YouTube hosts, and in general, his knowledge, his brain is, you have something to learn from him for at least, I don't know, for me it's like at least for 10 years in the next 10 years. So pretty simple. If you consider it as a hobby and just for fun, then it's not for you. But if you see yourself doing it like in the next even 2 years, 5 years, then of course, it's money. Yes. So just ask yourself this question if you want to get it and decide. See ya.